Lillian Lee, the unforgettable star of Gone with the Wind, now comes to the screen in her outstanding role. The greatest woman in the history of romance and love, Cleopatra. Claude Rains as Caesar, the man who could conquer the world but found his match in a woman.
You will be the most dangerous of all Caesar's conquests.
Stuart Granger, the screen's exciting new personality as the dashing adventurer who offered his entire devotion to Cleopatra.
Beautiful queen, I am Apollodorus, a Sicilian, your servant from the bazaar.
I will speak. Are you so besotted with her beauty that you do not see that she is impatient to reign in Egypt alone?
Liar!
What? Protestations, contradictions.
From her own lips, I have heard it. You are to be her cat's paw.
It is false, I swear it.
It is true, though you swore it 1,000 times and believed all you swore.
It's the story of a girl who was a queen, but who stopped at nothing to get her own way, even with the man who had conquered her. It's from the unrivaled pen of Bernard Shaw, a story of pageantry and rivalry, of daring legions and spectacular beauty, cunning and intrigue.
Strike his life out as I strike his name from your lips. Dash him down from the wall. Break him on the stones. Kill him. So be it. As the light dies, he shall die.
Nothing has been spared to make this the biggest picture ever produced. You'll never forget the Battle of the Nile, the palaces of the pharaohs, the ruthless men of Rome, the intrigue of Egypt, and the woman who was not afraid.